Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can add a red tint to your videos in Capcut PC. Super simple, just find like a red background. I think there is one in the background section actually. Or did they remove that? Hopefully it's still there. Or you can like just find like an image. I'm just going to add this red on top of the video, and I'm just going to zoom it in, or you can just rotate it. If you want the like red to be a little bit more red, I guess just go to the adjustments and adjust the saturation, and I'm just going to adjust the exposure. Oh my, that's bright. And the contrast maybe. Okay, go back to video, go to the blend mode here and select any blend mode that you would like. Oh my gosh, this is actually very bright in my eyes. And just find the one that suits your video the best in your opinion. Obviously, this is for your video. I'll just do the color burn, and you can adjust the opacity here. But that's pretty much how you can add a red tint to your videos. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget, see, as you can see, it looks weird here. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.